Hey there, Timber Creek fans. Roberto Lee here at Timber Creek, and we are looking at this inventory home that's available by Lennar. This is the Wynwood floor plan. You can buy this home right now. It's just about 4,000 square foot, 5 bedrooms plus den. You get over 4 baths. A huge home, family friendly. Let's walk inside and take a look here. So as you walk into the Wynwood, you've got this nice entry area here. And this opens up into your great room space and your kitchen off to the side there. But first we're going to look at the first of 2 master bedrooms that you get in the Wynwood here. So this is the first one here. You get your sliders out to the lanai space. Nice sized walk-in closet and huge bathroom here. You have your enclosed water closet here, your dual sinks. And then you also have this really large walk-in shower here. So this is master bedroom number 1. You have another one upstairs on this home. Now coming across the main living room space, you'll see how much room you have to work with here. And this would be your den here. So it's a true den, no closet or window in this. But you could turn it into an extra bedroom if you needed the space. And then you've got this huge kitchen here with quartz countertops, lots of cabinets. You got a full stainless appliance package here. And this all overlooks your great room space. Just off the kitchen here, you've got a couple things to point out and see. You've got the half bath here, and you've got your indoor laundry space with full-size washer and dryer, additional storage, and the utility sink. This would be your entry to your garage. And then you've got some under stair storage right back here as well. Now, coming back out towards the main area, we're going to run upstairs and we're going to take a look at what the second level of this home has to offer. So as we come up the stairs here, you're going to land in this nice little loft area. So second living room space, whatever, fun space, pool table, tons of usage here. Now this is the second master right here. So nice size space here. You've got 2 walk-in closets. There's 1 and 2. And then you have your master bath here again with the dual sinks, the water closet, and the large walk-in shower here. Now we're going to go across the loft area. And this is what the rest of your bedrooms are going to be. And also the guest bathroom. So here's your guest bathroom with the dual sinks, and then you have the commode and the combination tub and shower there. Then you have your guest bedroom here, another guest bath here with a single sink, and 2 more guest bedrooms, 1 and number 2 here. All right, folks, so that's the upstairs. Let's run downstairs. Last but not least on this home, we are going to take a look at the outdoor living space. So the Wynwood is awesome for exterior living. You've got this huge set of sliders that opens up right here in the center. And the lanai stretches from one side of the home all the way to the other side of the home. That's an awesome use of the outdoor space. And this particular home site here has a long lake view. Plenty of room for a custom pool back here as well. This is an awesome home, folks. If you're interested in this particular home, it's ready for you to purchase now. Give us a call, send us an email, shoot us a text. We'll talk to you soon.